That high-pitched whistling in your ears just refuses to stop, and it feels like your brain is trapped in a room with a broken tea kettle that never boils over. You are sitting in a quiet room trying to read or sleep, but that phantom noise is screaming for attention. It makes you want to climb the walls just to find a moment of peace. This constant ringing is more than an annoyance. It is a mental drain that wears you down day after day. It makes total sense that anyone dealing with this would grab at any lifeline they see online. Lately, the Loera Device has been popping up everywhere with promises of relief and a return to silence. It is marketed as a non-invasive tool that fits into your daily routine like a pair of earbuds. The core idea relies on sound therapy. This is a real technique used by specialists to help the brain tune out the internal noise. They do this by giving your ears something else to focus on. But here is where we need to get real about what is actually happening under the hood. I've been looking into the claims and the science behind this specific gadget. It appears to be a legitimate piece of hardware. You can actually buy it and hold it in your hand. This is not some ghost company that takes your money and disappears into the void. However, being a real product is not the same thing as being a proven medical cure. There's a massive gap between a device that produces soothing sounds and a true medical breakthrough that silences tinnitus for good. When I went looking for clinical trials or peer-reviewed studies specifically for this device, the cabinet was pretty bare. That does not mean it cannot help you, but it does mean you should be very careful with how much hope you pin on it. Sound therapy works differently for every single person. For some, a specific frequency might provide instant comfort. For others, it might just be more noise added to the pile. Tinnitus is not a one-size-fits-all condition. It can be caused by years of loud concerts or ear injuries. It might even be a symptom of a deeper medical issue that a piece of plastic in your ear cannot fix. This is why the flashy advertisements promising a permanent end to the ringing should make you pause. If a company tells you they have a guaranteed fix for a condition that medical science is still struggling to fully map out, you should keep your wallet closed for a second. You need to talk to a hearing specialist or a doctor before you start self-treating with random gadgets. You might have an underlying issue that needs professional medical attention. If you are still curious, check the return policies. Read the reviews from people who've used it for months, not just days. Look for the fine print about warranties because these things are not cheap. If I were standing in your shoes, I would look at this as a potential tool in a much larger toolkit. It is one option among many. It might take the edge off, but it is unlikely to be the miracle you see in those social media ads. Manage your expectations. Stay skeptical of anything that sounds too good to be true. Real relief usually comes from a combination of professional advice and patience, not just a quick purchase from a website. Be smart with your health.